Once you have configured the firewall on your Synology NAS, you might want to check to see if a specific port is either opened or closed. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how through the terminal of macOS, you can test a port on your NAS. If from the desktop of macOS, we use Spotlight Search to open a terminal window. Now at the command prompt, if we type nc-zv, the IP address or domain name of our NAS, and the port that we wish to test. When we press enter on our keyboard, the results of our test will be displayed. In this example, as the test reports succeeded, we know that the port we just tested is open. If you need to test a range of ports, we can use the same command, but after entering the first port number in the range, if we add a dash, then the last port in our range. When we press enter, we will receive the results from the test. If when testing a firewall port we receive a message saying connection refused, this indicates that while the firewall port on our NAS has been set to allow, as our NAS is not running a service behind that port, it is not responding, so the connection is refused rather than the port being closed. Instead, if a port is closed, which is where the firewall port on our NAS is set to deny, when we run a port scan, there will be an extended delay and eventually a message stating operation timed out. When we finish testing the ports on our NAS, we can close the terminal window by typing exit and pressing enter on our keyboard.